Hi, in this video, I will show you how to get the mind reading filter on the talk. So this is the trending filter on the TikTok, so how you can basically find it. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. One way is that you can simply go to the Discover and you have to click on the search. And in the search, you can search for the mind reading filter or you can write a thought bubble effect. And once you will do it on the top, you will see an effect. You can shoot a video with that. Other ways that if you want, find it. Simply search for the mind reading filter here. And once you will search for it, and you will also see effect by this. On the top, you can shoot a video with that and other ways that click on the plus icon and you have to click on the effects. And in the effects, you have to go to the animals, swipe to the left, and in the animal section you will find it. Right now, this filter is not available in my country, but if you want to find and create a video in this filter, you can simply follow this step. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.